It's the dawn of a new legal year in Nigeria, and Ogun State is no exception. Just as every new year in Nigeria often begins with worship, thanksgiving, and reflection, so too does the legal calendar across the country. Here at the Cathedral of St. Peter, Ake Abeokuta, the men and women of justice gather, not in the courtroom this time, but at the altar of God. The Judiciary in Ogun State, led by the Chief Judge, Justice Mosumola Dikpeolu, judges, lawyers, and their families bow their heads in gratitude and prayer. They are not alone. Joining them in this solemn thanksgiving are the state's #1 citizen, Prince Governor Abiodun, the Speaker of the House of Assembly, Right Honorable Dairo Elemide, members of the Executive Council, and traditional rulers. For Governor Abiodun, this is more than a tradition. It is a testimony, a moment to honor the righteous judge above all judges and to acknowledge the judiciary's role as the pillar of fairness in society. In his remarks, he commends Ogun State's judiciary for its reforms and firm administration of justice, reminding them that justice delayed is justice denied, and urging adjudicators to remain steadfast in fairness and equity.
As we open this legal year, let us renew our dedication to a system where the scales of justice remain balanced, where the most vulnerable find a voice, and where every man and woman and child feels protected by the law.
Then comes the big announcement. Governor Abiodun breaks the news that the federal government has approved the establishment of a court of appeal in Ogun State. No longer will litigants have to bear the long journey to Ibadan.
This is indeed a landmark achievement of an initiative proudly and aggressively championed by administration to bring justice closer to our people and to ease the heavy caseload currently borne by the Ibadan division.
For Chief Judge Mosumola Dikpeolu, this is fulfillment, and with joy, she thanks God that this milestone is happening during her tenure.
When I became the Chief Judge in 2018, one of the things that I prayed to God to happen before I leave office is the establishment of the Court of Appeal in Ogun State. We have over 85% of cases in Ibadan. Our people and lawyers go to Ibadan for their cases, and it had been my desire that we should have Court of Appeal in Ogun State.
The state's Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Oluwashina Ogunbande San, who also doubles as the project coordinator, provides deeper insights into how this appeal court will further strengthen access to justice.
The Ogun State is renowned for its, availability to investors. Investors come here, there are lots of commercial activities coming in. And when people actually want to go to a place where they are assured that there will be fast dispute resolution. So in the immediate, that is what will be coming here by having a division of the Court of Appeal here in Abeokuta.
And so, with prayers said, thanksgiving offered, and promises made, Ogun State's judiciary steps into the new year, strengthened by reforms and inspired by leadership. They are ready to serve justice swiftly, fairly, and to every man without fear or favor.